E-ink smartwatches are few and far between. There's not too many manufacturers that make them. Last year, Fossil released an e-ink smartwatch called the Fossil Collider, which has a circular e-ink backdrop. Now, Skagen out of Denmark, who has been a watch manufacturer since 1989, has released a circular e-ink watch with an e-ink backdrop. Yeah, and Skagen is a subsidiary of Fossil. So these are going to be the exact same things, but we received a sample of it either way, and we're going to see how things are different. This is the box. You can see it is a very nicely laid out box, very hard cardstock with a plastic screen at the top so you can see the actual unit, and it has some information on the back, compatible with Android 5.0 and above, Bluetooth 5.0, iOS 10 Plus, etc. So we are going to crack this open with you guys on camera. Now, as we said, these guys are relatively the exact same company. It's kind of like Uniqlo and GU and all the Yum Corporation like KFC and Taco Bell. They're all part of the same main company. This is a subsidiary of Fossil, except they primarily operate in Denmark. So the boxes are going to be fairly similar as well. But you know, when there are subsidiaries of other companies in the world, usually they do things differently when it comes to operating systems. So we'll just open that. That comes off just like so. And here is the watch itself inside. We're going to leave this till the very end like we usually do with our products. What do we have in here? We have a bunch of documents, and the box is now empty. We have a very thick Skagen smartwatch manual. There must be, well, it says right here, there's 78 pages. So this is in various different languages, Italiano, Espanol, etc. And this is likely to be the thank you card / how-to. There you go. So it is employing the exact same body and shell as the Fossil Collider, except this wasn't in the Fossil Collider box. So it is looking a little bit different, and it tells you to use the Skagen connected app, not the hybrid HR Fossil app. So they are going the extra mile to make things a little bit more proprietary, even though it's using the same overall housing. It's kind of like a white label, so to speak. And this is going to be the exact same charger as well. 2-pin copper contact with a magnet in the middle and a full-size USB to plug into basically anything on the other side. And the box has concluded with this. Whoa, that is heavy. That is very heavy. I guess they sent us the one with the metal band. The Fossil smartwatch they sent us, the hybrid HR, was a silicone band, but this one seems to be like some chainmail here. This is really heavy. This is already feeling very, very high quality. So it is still employing an e-ink backdrop. This is not an e-ink screen, and what I mean by that is you'll see that the hands are actually in front of the e-ink screen, not behind it or a part of it. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Skagen hybrid HR smartwatch running an e-ink screen, basically by Fossil, but they're trying to make it their own. There's no shame in white labeling products of successful items that are already in existence. Saves you manufacturing costs, better for the environment that you don't have to tool something from the ground up. If you guys want to ask any questions, have any comments or concerns, leave them down below. Please stay tuned for a full review coming from goodereader.com on the Skagen hybrid HR smartwatch. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.